Alright everybody, we are testing the awesome new compact line of pruner slash chainsaws from Ryobi. This is the 8-inch HP and this is the 6-inch HP. In between these two, these are the big solutions that Ryobi has put out for everyone that just needs little jobs. And today we're going to just test them out, put them head to head. We're going to be cutting this tree. Now this is a tree that just fell in my woods. Looks pretty dead. Perfect opportunity for everyone out there to see how these stack up against each other. Now I've got a 12 amp hour battery and I'm going to use that on both of these so you can see what the difference is between cutting this piece of wood. My name's Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Hang on. Let's get cutting. One. That was incredible. I'm not gonna lie, they both did great, but this 8-inch has got some serious torque to it. All right, now let's put them head to head and see what the timing is. And as we're doing that, I have a dB meter right here. I'm gonna see what decibel that these do at 2 feet away from the cut itself. $95. Okay, so you see how these have done against each other, but some of the details, maybe what will make a choice for you or will help you make your choice, is that this has an integrated all-in-one chain tensioner, changer, everything right here. I'm just going to point with this chainsaw right there, and that's how you change this chain right here. Now this chain is 152 millimeters, this chain is 203 millimeters, and this chain is a full-size chain, and this one is a miniature chain, so they're a little bit little. This is 8 inches, this is 6 inch. Cutting capacity is 6 inches on this. This is really 4 inches. They always take that away to stay away from the end. But with that being said, the sound is just about the same on both of them. They're both oilless. You don't have to worry about bar oil leaking everywhere. Now, I did throw some oil into the chains. That's what you're supposed to do periodically. And this one is $120 to $130. This one's $150. That's for the tool only, not with the battery. You got to buy the battery separate. But I hope that this was helpful to you. If it was, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Get out there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass it on to the next generation, and we will all be better for it. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.